Viral Roblox videos are taking over social media right now, and the most impressive part is that nobody can tell, even for a second, that these videos were created using AI. The quality is incredibly realistic. First of all, take a look at this channel. By uploading videos in this exact style, the creator has gained more than 1 million subscribers, and almost every video receives millions of views. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, copy the prompt that I've provided in the description and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and they will instantly generate a complete video prompt for you. If you want another story, simply type next and send it. ChatGPT will immediately generate a brand new Roblox story along with a new video prompt. Copy the first video prompt once it's ready. Now open Flow AI. Go to the video section and select Omni Flash. Paste the prompt and click send. Within a few moments, Flow AI will generate a high-quality video for you. Next, copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT and open Flow AI again. Go to the very end of the first video you generated. At the top, you'll see a photo option. Click on it. Flow AI will show you an image. Select that image, click Add to Prompt, and then paste your second prompt. Repeat the same process for all of the remaining prompts until you've generated every video. Once they're finished, download all of your video clips. After all the videos have been generated, open any video editing software. Import all of your clips, arrange them in the correct order with smooth transitions, and then export the final video. And that's it. Your Roblox AI video is ready.
Nice backpack. I want it.
I want it. It's my favorite.
Wait! Where's my bag? Maybe you lost it.
It's beautiful. Let's grab it.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content.